If you want to make your spreadsheets look more professional and easier to present, learning how to make charts 3D in LibreOffice Calc is a great skill to have. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple step-by-step process to create a 3D chart from your data, even if you've never used LibreOffice Calc before. And if this video helps you, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open LibreOffice. If you're starting from scratch, go to the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet with your data entered, you can open that existing file instead. The important thing is that your data is already organized before you create the chart, because Calc will use that selected range to build the graph. Next, select the data that you want to turn into a chart. This usually means clicking and dragging over the rows and columns that contain your labels and values. Make sure you include the headings if you want the chart to display them properly. Choosing the right data range is important because the chart will only reflect what you highlight. Once your data is selected, look at the top menu and click Insert. This is where LibreOffice keeps the tools for adding objects like charts, images, and other elements into your spreadsheet. From the drop-down menu, click Chart. After that, the chart wizard will open. This wizard guides you through the chart setup process step by step, so don't worry if it looks technical at first. In the chart type section, choose the style that best fits your data. Common options include column charts and pie charts, but you can explore other chart types depending on how you want your information displayed. For example, column charts are great for comparisons, while pie charts are useful for showing proportions. Now here's the key part for creating the 3D effect. In the chart wizard, look for the 3D look option and check it. This tells LibreOffice Calc to display the chart with a 3D appearance instead of a flat standard look. It's a simple switch, but it makes the chart stand out visually and gives your spreadsheet a more polished presentation style. Before finishing, take a moment to review the chart preview and make sure the layout looks correct. If needed, you can go back and adjust the chart type or data range. Once everything looks good, click Finish, and just like that, your 3D chart will appear directly inside LibreOffice Calc. You can move it, resize it, and position it wherever it fits best in your spreadsheet. This is especially useful if you're creating reports, presentations, school projects, or dashboards where visual clarity really matters. So to recap, open LibreOffice, create or open a Calc spreadsheet, select your data, go to Insert, choose Chart, pick your chart type, enable the 3D look option, and click Finish. That's all it takes to make charts 3D in LibreOffice Calc. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.